Let y equal to f of x be a function. Y equal to f of x be a function. The derivative of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx f dash x y1. The derivative of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx f dash x or y1. Suppose take y equal to x power 4 dy by dx equal to 4x cube. This is also function in x. Differentiate again this one. We get 12x square. This is also function in x. Again differentiate 24x. Differentiate again 24 0. So this is called first derivative of y with respect to x. This is called second derivative of y, third derivative of y, fourth derivative of y, fifth derivative of y. So this second derivative is denoted by d square y by dx square f double dash x y2. This is called third derivative of y. This is denoted by d cube y by dx cube f triple dash x y3. This is called fourth derivative, fifth derivative, and so on. So fourth derivative y4, y5, fifth derivative. So y equal to x power 4 is a given function. You know the dy by dx. This is called first derivative. This is also function in x. Again differentiate with respect to x. This is called second derivative. This is called third derivative. This is called fourth derivative, fifth derivative. Okay, next. Take one problem. Find the second derivative of the following. Y equal to x power 4 plus tan x. Find the second derivative. First derivative dy by dx or y1. This is nothing but dy by dx equal to 4x cube secant square x. Derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of tan x secant square x. This is the first derivative of y with respect to x. Again differentiate. d square y by dx square, that is also denoted by y2. 4. Derivative of x cube 3x square. 4. X power n into x power n minus 1. Next, write derivative of secant square x. There are two functions. One is the power function, one is the secant function. First derivative of the power function, n into secant power n minus 1. That is the derivative of the power function, into derivative of secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x. So 12 x square plus secant x into secant x, secant square x into tan x. So this is the second derivative of y with respect to x. Next, another problem. Y equal to tan inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Derivative of the second derivative of this function. All of you listen. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. This is the formula in inverse trigonometric functions. So given a problem like this one, x plus y by 1 minus x into y. So from trigonometry, write this as a sine tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We apply this formula where x value 1, y value x, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So take first derivative, dy by dx. There is no variable in this place. So derivative of constant equal to 0. You know this formula. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is the first derivative. You want second derivative. So d square y by dx square. Apply u by v formula. U dash v minus v dash u by v square. Derivative of any constant equal 0. 0 into something 0 minus derivative of one value 0. Derivative of x square 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. So final answer is minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. 1 plus x square whole square. First calculate dy by dx. After that one, that is in the form of u by v. U dash v minus v dash u. Derivative of any constant equal 0. 0 into something 0. Derivative of x square 2x. So finally minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. Next.